I'm going to show you how to make one of these super cool PVC siphons to drain your pool a lot faster. Check it out. Happy pool season, everybody. It is that time of year to get the pool ready. I'm not too excited this year to pull this cover off and discover how much green algae is in there. I bought the winter pill last fall and I tried it. Didn't work for me. Did not do its job at all. I have a ton of algae in there. So I am going to start from scratch. I'm going to drain the pool. We're going to clean it out really good. And thankfully I have my own water well that I can use. I know not everybody has a water well and water is expensive to use, but that's what I have and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a siphon out of PVC that will help to drain your pool a lot faster than just throwing a garden hose in there and sucking it and getting that water out. So stick with me and let's check it out. I had a feeling she was pretty green. Got a lot of work ahead of me to clean this sucker up, but we'll get it done. This pool, gosh, is a senior citizen in the pool world for Intex. This thing's like 5-6 years old. The part of Texas we are in, this thing takes a beating. We're 100 degree plus all summer long here. In the wintertime we get down to 0 degrees at times. My you know, the top rails, they're faded, they're in real rough shape, but I think we can get one more pool season out of it before I'm going to replace it with another one just like it. 18. I love the 18-foot round. This one's 18 by 52 inches tall. So here's the parts that we're going to need today. So I'm using 1.25 inches. It's just a little bit bigger. I feel like I'm going to get much better water flow and empty the pool faster. You need 3 elbows and you need enough PVC. We're going to go inside the pool up to the top, come out just a foot and a half, back down, and then a little piece coming out, okay, to create our siphon. So let's go ahead and measure and put it together. Okay, here's the general idea. This part goes into the pool. Now you want this to be off the bottom by like 1 inch, okay? If you're hitting the bottom, it's gonna kill your suction. So be off the bottom about 1 inch. You're gonna go up and you want this part laying on top of the pool and then this part sitting on the ground on the other side. So you gotta, you know, double check all your measurements before you cut your PVC, and then just a little piece extending out. So here's what the whole thing looks like. I've not glued it. I might need to glue it, but we're gonna practice with it and see what happens. I'm just kind of free fitting in there a little bit tight. So you're going to stick it in, you're going to submerge it completely. You're going to cover one end. You're going to stick it out. There it goes. Look at that. It's really kicking into gear now. That's awesome. That's all you got to do. It's been like 5 minutes and the pool is already dropping. You see that? Coming straight down. I actually put my hose. This is my washout hose, and I zip tied it to the end there. I'm gonna water my grass, why not, you know? I got some spots here. We haven't had much rain, so this is all Bermuda, but it's not coming in yet because it's been actually pretty cool until now. It's warm today, but I'm gonna water my lawn with it. I'm gonna move it around, so. Well, I hope this video helps somebody drain their pool faster. I got a ton of pool videos if you wanna check them out. You can always help the channel by hitting that subscribe or like it. You can leave a comment. I'm really good at answering questions. I got a ton of cool pool videos coming up this year. I got a new sand filter I'm installing this week. I've got some lights I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a fun year. So stick with me, guys. I appreciate you watching.